Okay, hello everyone. Okay, so before we continue, okay, with our lesson, so I will like introduce myself. Okay, so my name is Puan Yusfalina. So I will teach you at Maths, okay, for this year. Okay, so before we continue, okay, with our lesson, so just want to inform you, okay, for the books, right? So I need two exercise book, okay, and also one file, okay, one file. So the exercise book you means is for the exercise if you want to do the exercise in the textbook, okay, and also for the file is actually, let's say if I give you a handout, okay, so you need to put the handout, okay, in the file, okay, so it's easy for you to refer, okay, if you want to do a revision. Okay, so we start with chapter 10 first, okay, so chapter 10 is index, okay. So this one is actually from the textbook. Okay, so let's say if you still didn't got the textbook, you can refer the digital textbook. Okay, you can download, and also I already put the textbook, okay, in the Google Classroom, so you can refer to that, right, for the exercise and also for the notes. Okay. So the first one, what is actually an index? So defining and describing the index number. Okay, so the conversation here said that I paid RM 680 for this smartphone last year. Okay, and the other girl said I paid RM 748 for the same smartphone this year. So based on the conversation above, what conclusion can be made, okay, regarding the price of the smartphones in this year and last year? So you can see the price is increasing, right? So if you're able to state an increase of 10% in the prices, then you have made a relation, okay, regarding the index number. So it's actually the comparison, okay, comparison. They say for this one, he bought the smartphone last year, and the girl, okay, bought the same smartphone this year. So you can see the price is increasing. So if you can compare, and can give the percentage of increasing. So if you change, it become like almost like 10%, right? So 10%. So you actually already can relate, okay, the index number. So in general, the index number is a statistical measure, right, to measure the change of variable of the particular year as compared to another year, okay, which is considered to be the base year. So mean here the base year is the last year because we compare with last year. So the base year is the last year price, right? So the base usually has the value of 100 and index number is 100 times the ratio with the base. Okay, so the variable can consist of value of currency, price, product, earning, quantity, job opportunity, and also others. Okay, so this is the example of the index number. Okay, so consumer price index. Okay, so this is the example of the formula. Okay, that's index of road accident, air quality index, and also a body mass index, okay, BMI. So that is the example. So in general, right? So in general, the formula for index number, so you can use this formula, okay? So Q0 is the quantity of the base, quantity or price at the base year. So just now, like you see the example, okay, like the man, okay, he bought the smartphone, okay, last year. Then another girl said is he buy the smartphone this year. So we compare it with last year. So the last year is actually the base year, okay. So the quantity and Q1 is the quantity at the particular year. So this is the formula for the index. So Q1 divided by Q0, then you multiply with 100. Okay, so let's see example 1. So the price of an X branded watch in the year 2017 and 2018 was 500 and 550. So X, okay, X brand. Okay, then 2017 is RM 500. Okay, while 2018, you can see the price increasing, right? Like $50 like that. Okay, 50 ringgit. Okay, so respectively. So calculate the index number of price of the watch in the year 2018 based on the year 2017. Okay, so we use the formula I is equals to Q1 divided by Q0, okay, times 100. So which one should be the base year here? So we compare it with what? Is it based on the year 2017? So the Q0 is the base year, right? So it should be 2017 because we compare with 2017. And already it's also stated here, okay? Yeah, I have to calculate, okay, the the index number of the price of the watch in year 2018 based on the year 2017. So 2017 will become Q0. Okay, so 2017 is 500. So 500 and the Q1 is 550. So you multiply with 100. So use your calculator. So you will get 110. Okay, so this is the index number. Okay, so usually the price is 100%. So you can see the increase like 10%, right? So means here we can conclude, right? So it asks you to interpret the index number obtained. So you can see it's more than 100. So how much how much is the difference? Is 10, right? So mean the price is increasing, okay, of 10%, okay, compared with 2017. Okay, so you can put here, okay, so there is an increase. So this one also already have the answer here. You can put that there is an increase of 10%, okay, in the price, okay, from the year 2017 to the year 2018. Okay, so you just minus with 100. Okay, so you will get 110. So 110 minus 100, so you get 10. So 10% is the is the percentage of increasing, okay, for the price of the X branded watch. Okay, so this is the example 1. Okay, let's take a look for example 2. So in the year 2017, the number of sports, okay, governing bodies registered with the Sport Commissioner Office is 893. So you put here 2017 is 893. Okay, and then given that the index, okay, the index number of the registration of sports governing bodies of the year 2017 based on the year 2010 is 156.39. So here they already give you the index. So the index is 156.39. Okay, so ask you to calculate the number of sport governing bodies registered in the year 2010. So which one is the base? Whether it's 2017 or 2010. So it already put here based on the year 2010. So means Q0 is the 2010. The number of registration in the year 2010. Okay, so I just put here 2010. Okay, this is Q0. While the Q1 is 2017, right? Okay, but you need to find the value here. Okay, so Q0 is 2010, okay, the years, and Q1 is 2017. Okay, so now you put the formula Q1 divided by Q0 times 100. So the index is 156.39. Okay, so the base here is 2010. Okay, so they need you to find the Q0. Okay, Q0. So the Q0 is the one that you need to find. Okay, your Q1 is 2017. So already given here how many? 893. So times 100. Okay, so I explain again. Okay, so in the year 2017, the number of sport governing bodies registered with the Sport Commissioner Office is 893. So at 2017, there is 893 number of registration. Okay, and they're given to you the index, okay, 156.39. So this one, if the base is is the base when it's 2010. Okay, so we have to know which one is the base first. So the base is 2010. You already stated here based on the year 2010. So the base is 2010. So your Q1 is the 2017, right? So they ask you to find the number of registration in 2010. So means 2010 is Q0, right? So means you need to find the value for Q0. Okay, while Q1, you already have the number here. 2017 is 893. So you just substitute, okay, 893. Okay, then you calculate. Okay, so this one multiply become here is divide. So 1 2 I divide 156.39 divide by 100, so you will get 1.5639. Okay, 893. Okay, and then I still got Q0 here. So 1.5639 multiply with Q0. Okay, you will get 893. So your Q0 is, so divide, multiply. Okay, go there, become divide. So 893 divide by 1.5639. Okay, let's check whether it's correct or not. So you got like Q0 is 571. Okay, so 571, the number of sport governing bodies that registered in the year, okay, of 2010. Okay, so that's how you want to find the value of Q0, the base year, if it's already given the index number. Okay, so I show you a next example. Okay, so for this one, I only ask you to describe. Okay, so to interpret. Okay, so I give you the statement here. The index number of the usage of electricity in the district in the year 2019. So underline, right? 2019 based on the year 2015. So 2015 is the base, actually is Q0, and this one should be Q1, and this one is the index. So remember when we compare the increasing, right, of the price of the X brand of the smartwatch just now, right, when we calculate, okay, they got 10%. So you can see here is 135. So it's increasing or decreasing? So it increasing, right? Okay, so how much does it increase? So 135 you minus with 100, so you will get 35. So means there is a 35. Okay, the increasing is 35. Okay, so how you want to interpret? So you can put here the number of the usage of electricity, okay, in district is increasing, okay, by 35. Okay, by 35, okay, from 2015 to 2019. Okay, so I put the sentence here. The number of the usage of electricity in a district is increasing by 35, okay, from 2015 to 2019. Okay, so that's how if you want to interpret, okay, based on the sentence given. Okay, so how about number 2? So the index number of the number of road accident, okay, in the year 2018 based on the year 2016 is 240. So first you need to know whether it's increase or decrease. So here we is very clearly said that it's increased because usually only 100, now it becomes 240. So it increased. So you put here 240 minus with 100. So 140. So it increased by 140. Okay, so how you want to interpret this one? So you can put here the number of road and accidents, okay, in a state, okay, is increasing by 140 from 2018, to 2016, okay, to 2018. Okay, so that's how you interpret. Okay, and number 3, the index number of the price of a type of racket in the year 2090 based on the year 2010 is 55. So now you can see the value is increasing. So 100, it should be 100. So 100 minus 55, here we got 45. So it decreased, okay? So it decreased by 45. So here you can put how you want to interpret number of the price of a type of racket is decreasing, okay, by 45, okay, from 2010 to 2019. Okay, so we move to the next example. Okay, so a company sold 1,200 units of brand X smartphones in the year 2015. Okay, so underline it. And 1,500 units in the years 2018. Calculate the index number, okay, for the number of smartphones sold in the year 2018 based on the year 2015. So which one is Q0, which one is the Q1? Okay, so based on the year 2015. So Q0 is 2015 and Q1 is 2018. Okay, so let's substitute in the formula. So Q0 and Q1. So Q1 2018, right? So how many is sold on 2018? 1,500. So 1,500 divided by, okay, so Q0 is 2015, so 1,200. And then you multiply with 100. Okay. So use your calculator. So you get 125. So 125 means it's increasing or decreasing? Increasing, right? So how many it increased? So 125 minus with 100. So you will get like 25%. So here you can put, okay, the number of, just like you write the first, like we did just now, okay, the example just now, you interpret, so you just put the sentence, the same sentence, okay. So the number of smartphones sold, okay, is increasing by 25%, okay, from 2015 to 2018. Okay, so that's how you want to find the index number. Okay. All right. So we move on to the second one. Okay. So it says here the number of students in school decreased, okay, from 1,600 students in the year 2017. Okay, so 2017 we got 1,600 students to 1520 in 280. 2080. So here is 1520. So calculate the index number shows the change in number of students in the year 2018. Okay, based on the year 2017. So Q0 is 2017 and Q1 is 2018. So I is equals to, so Q1 is 2018, right? So Q 2018 divide by Q 2017 times 100. Okay, so you get 1520 divided by 1600 times 100. Okay, so use calculator. So you will get 95. So this one is in decreasing, right? So decreasing. So how many percent it decrease? So 100 minus 95. So it's actually 5%. Okay, it decreased by 5%. So you can put here the number of students. The number of students, okay, is decreasing, okay, by 5% from 2017 to 2018. Okay, so this one is actually same, just we switch, right? We change the base. Okay, so for this one they use 2009 as a base. Okay, and the next one they use a 2011 as a base. Okay, so I will not discuss about this one because it's almost the same. Okay, like I already teach you the example, so it's almost the same. Okay, so what I want you to do, okay, so on your textbook, okay, so teacher, I don't have the textbook. It's okay because I already put the textbook, okay, on the Google Classroom, so you can download it. It's a very small because uh it's only chapter 10. Okay, already we divide into 10 chapter, so it's only one chapter, so it's not that big. Okay, the file is not that big, so you can download. And I want you to do the exercise, okay, the self practice 10.1. Okay, page 275. Do it all. Okay, you don't need to copy back the questions. Okay, just show your calculation. Okay, make sure you put your date. Okay, you put your date. And also I want you, like put the index, right, at the front page there. I want you to put the index. Okay, so date and exercise. Okay, then my signature. Okay, so when I mark the book, okay, so I will check, okay, at the index. So make sure you have the index, okay, on the exercise book. Okay, and also all the calculation, okay, please show it neat. Okay, I don't want like you know macam cakar ayam tu saya tak nak lah. So write it nicely. Okay, show your calculation properly. Okay, so let's say you have a question, okay, you can text me. I'm sorry because I cannot do meet, okay, for this week only. So next week we will do Google Meet only this week because I'm involved in the SPM marking, okay, for physics. So I will not be able to do the online class. So I record for you. Then you can see the video and answer the question. So next week, okay, we will do Google Meet. Okay, so let's say if you have any questions, okay, you can just text me, okay, PM me. Okay, so I hope you can understand, okay, today's lesson. Okay, so see you next class. So make sure you do the exercise. Okay, so take care everyone. Okay, bye.